Thank you for having me. Yes, indeed, I'm here. My name is Kanshi. Thank you for coming and joining us here. I'm here to take you on a trip to the moon. We will visit the virtual world I have been developing for the past few years. You can also see this for yourself, as we just released an early alpha VR app that you can download from the website. But now, let's go to the moon and take a closer look at ArtStation. So ArtStation is a starbase where digital creators can showcase their visual NFTs and visitors can buy them. All of this is happening inside a permanent virtual world. I'm building ArtStation to materialize the features of Web3 inside virtual reality. I want to make buying NFTs an exciting, unforgettable experience. Here we can see the NFTs that are GIFs stored on Arweave in their distributed storage, and they were automatically turned into showcase assets that can be displayed on the billboards inside virtual reality. Compared to the browser or mobile experiences, virtual environments extend the reality users can interact with. This makes it much easier to use, understand, and benefit from the Web3 innovation. We see art in its proper form. We can appreciate architecture, spacescapes, and much more. It's simply just more fun. ArtStation is integrated with a profit-sharing community contract and Arweave. This approach allows artists to maintain the ownership and control over the content that is showcased. Using PSC technology and perma-storage, we can also decentralize the ownership of ArtStation's service. This means that ArtStation is also available on other compatible platforms. I designed it as an open source, self-governed community, deciding on the configuration of virtual assets and services available on the Starbase. Automating the main utility, so we're focused on automating here the main utility of selling and showcasing the NFT artwork. And ArtStation is just the beginning, an open source digital community template that can be adopted by others. There is Space Mask, a collaboration space led by a German architect and a French connector. There is Alpha Force, a virtual services center led by a British artist and an American entrepreneur. There are also international homies in outer space led by a music entrepreneur from Los Angeles. And there are many more. Since the alpha launch last month, there are already a dozen of growing community stations in the virtual world. ArtStation is the first profit-sharing community in the metaverse, but also it is a non-fungible, configurable asset that is automating operational processes related to showcasing and selling NFTs in VR. These processes include governing changes that are done to the station, NFT sales and distribution of commission to token holders, rendering and storing NFT showcase assets, and hopefully more as we develop the integrations and the software itself. Our plan is to keep enabling collaborative economy and decentralizing control over virtual services. So in Q2, we will focus on rendering different showcase videos from Arweave NFTs, planning to enable transacting on them during the third quarter. And upon completion of these core features, we will focus on automating governance processes in Q4. Last but not least, in starting next year, we want to integrate a lot of open data, social graph, and the centralized social economy that we're all building here. Still, you can already download ARTSTATION's VR client and fly your spaceship around the first profit-sharing community in the metaverse. We've started ArtStation with a founding mission during which we have established the early community of supporters and first NFTs that were created by quite a few of amazing artists that I've met in the metaverse. We plan to grow it once the utility of the station takes shape. I'm Andrzej Tuchoka, the maker and founder of the virtual world in which ArtStation is deployed. I have a PhD in engineering and technology and had the opportunity to build several successful social startups, including the largest Spanish social network. Visit ArtStation's site to learn more, get a free spaceship from ARTSTATION, grab yourself a Claim of Sky NFT from OpenSea Supernovas, and join our Discord to talk with communities that are building in space. And also, last but not least, join me during the Miggle session for a live demo. I'll be happy to explain you how to invest or become the member of the first profit-sharing community in the metaverse. Thank you very much.